Okay, this is Singer 237. It is having severe issues missing stitches. This is, you may remember, a side load class 15 machine, which means that the hook is oriented like this and the needle faces sideways with the scarf on the back. And because everything moves together, if the adjustment for the lower mechanism gets out of sync with the needle bar, the gap between the hook and the needle scarf goes out of adjustment, and then it won't pick up thread at all. This machine is having trouble picking up thread, and I looked very carefully in at the adjustment, and it has a very wide gap in there. To correct that gap, you need to move the lower hook mechanism and get that adjustment separated. On this machine, the cam is over here with the slide block that adjusts your zigzag width. And then this arm is what connects the upper and lower mechanisms. So on the top you have a set screw here on this rod over to the needle bar, and so this rod moves the needle bar left and right. And then this clamp is on a shaft, and that shaft goes down, and on the bottom of that shaft is the lever that moves the lower mechanism back and forth. Because the needle bar travel is correct, the needle is going from one side to the other of the foot correctly, we don't want to move the needle bar adjustment. Because the needle is going where it needs to, we're going to adjust this section here to get the bobbin case and the hook moved to the needle. This arm here that provides the zigzag has no adjustment in it at all. So if you have one of these machines and the needle bar is striking on one side or the other of the zigzag, you have to start with this link arm for the needle bar and adjust everything so the needle bar is moving the needle where you want it, and then you have to go and check the other end of the arm here, this clamp, to adjust the hook to get the hook near the needle. Luckily, we only have one half of that problem, so our needle is going where we want it. We can ignore this. We just have to unloosen this and gently move the hook to get the correct spacing and tighten this bolt back up.